Mga programang mapapanood ngayong linggo sa 1PH. Alas 4:30 ng hapon, KD Explorers. Alas 5 ng hapon, At the Moment with Aimee. Alas 5:30 ng hapon, Merry ang Vibes ng Pasko. MVP Christmas Special Part 2.
This program is brought to you by Cherry Auto Philippines.
Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, from the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagiging merry ang vibes ng Pasko.
The time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I always